opposite side. Over on the far side in that left lane. Can you say old school with a parachute? Old school with a parachute.